today we're gonna learn how to make maple syrup. So first, we have maple syrup. That's what we're supposed to need for our waffles. Oh, oops. They're usually in the freezer. Boy, it's so cold. Maybe, hey, here's the waffles. We need the box. So here's the waffles. Let's pull it out. Oh, maybe I should set you down over. Here's the waffles. That's a lot of waffles. So let's get a waffle out and put it on the towel. And the waffles look like, well, they're actually blueberry waffles. They're waffles. Waffles are waffles. And also put it back. There we go. And then a couple more stuff we need. We need a toaster. So the toaster, I said it in a funny way. The toaster is over here. So now all we need is kind of like pliers, and here they are. They look like this, so make sure you find one in the kitchen because it anyways is the morning. So let's set that right here and let's put the waffle in the toaster. You don't really have to use your hands sometimes. The toaster is very hot, so you have to use like the chopstick thingy. Okay, now we have to wait. So all we have to do is get a plate and a fork and maybe a knife. So here's the plate and the fork. That's gonna sit on for maybe about 2 minutes. So, oh, a knife. So I need a knife. So also let's set it on here and let's just wait.
Did you stop the video? You should probably stop the video because it's taking up a lot of space. No, just stop it when you're not handling it. Okay, so here we are.
are done. Now all we need is these, like, kind of chaps. I think they really are called chaps. So when you're done, you kind of like don't really pinch it too hard. We have to pinch it really hard so it can like stay on for a better grip. Okay. Whew. That kind of tires your hand, but don't worry about that because in any way it isn't that hard to make. Like, wow. So let's now cut it. So we have a cut of this smooth maple syrup on the way, and let's get the waffle out here. And so first, where should I put? So here's our waffle. We put the fork. Somehow cut it, but it's anyways hard. So you should maybe put the syrup on first. So syrup. Pretty good. Just pour a little bit of it on. So there. That's maybe enough. Ooh, I'm getting hungry from looking at this. So now we can also just get a cup, and if you are ready. So now we should actually stab it and cut. It's like maybe a pizza. If you're cutting a pizza, stab it and then cut it. Next, I'm getting hungry. Ooh, good. Oh, this is kind of tiring. And maybe you do not have to put the syrup on first. You can do whatever you want with syrup. And don't get messy from doing this. It can stick on for you to use forever. Well, not actually. If you wash your hands, it maybe won't get off. But none of the syrup kind of gets on me usually, but when I'm eating it, it kind of does. Okay, there we have it. There's our waffles. And now let's put these in the sink.
Not your fork. Need your fork, don't you?
Too late. I already touched it in the coffee. So now I have to waste forks now. I already touched the coffee mug, and I just wasted it. So let's put it like that. Maybe that's a better way. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you don't like the video, maybe you could pick a new one. So goodbye.